Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Eid is coming up and I have created another festive makeup look. To see how I created this green smoky eye look, let's get started. I'm starting off with moisturizing my face. I'm using the Pond's lightweight moisturizer. Prepping the skin before makeup is very important. I'm using a spoolie to comb my brow hair, and then I'm using the NYX brow gel to set my brow hair in place and also to add that light tint. Since this is a festive makeup look, I'm not going to fill my brows. I'm just using a concealer to conceal the edges and to define the edges of the brows. The concealer that I'm using is the Wet n Wild Photofocus concealer. I'm using the same concealer as a base for my eye makeup. I'm using a blending brush to blend the concealer. Since this is a smoky eye look, I won't be setting the base using any powder. For the base of this green smoky eye look, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Khol in the shade Emerald Green. I'm applying this all over my eyelid and then I'm going to be using an eyeshadow to pack that in place. For a smoky eye look, you always need a strong base. In case you use the eyeshadow alone, it won't give that intensity. So you always need to use a kajal and then apply the eyeshadow over it. Next, I'm using the Maybelline eyeshadow palette. I'm picking this green shade and I'm patting it all over my eyelid. By doing this, you'll be setting the kajal in place and it wouldn't smudge later. Next, I'm using the PAC All Matte eyeshadow palette and I'm picking these two shades for my transition shade. I'm smudging the edges of the green eyeshadow so that we don't have any harsh lines. For any smoky eye look, the key is to have that blended and soft edges. For eyeliner, I'm using my favorite NYX Epic Ink liner. I always make a marking on both the sides and check if they are equal, and only then I'll go ahead and draw the liner. I'm using the same Khol in my waterline. I'm going to be applying a thick coat and then I'm going to be smudging it using the same green eyeshadow from the Maybelline palette. To finish off the eye makeup, I will be curling my lashes, applying some mascara and will add on some false lashes. Before moving on to lashes, I missed on highlighting my inner corners, so I'm going ahead and picking this gold shade from the palette. This is to be done before the eyeliner, but since I missed it, I'm doing it now and I'm going to be drawing the eyeliner over it. Next, I'm using this concealer palette from NYX. I'm going to be correcting the pigmented areas of my face using the orange concealer from the palette. And once I've done the orange concealer, I'm going to top it with the concealer that is closer to my skin tone. Next, I'm using the Miss Claire banana powder to set the concealer. You always want to do this before going and applying the foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Nykaa SkinShield foundation. Next, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder foundation all over and I'm in the shade NC40. For blush, I'm picking the blush from the Maybelline Master Contour palette. I'm not going to contour my face because I wanted to keep this really natural. So I will be using only blush and highlighter. I'm using the Mist Clear lip liner to line my lips. I am also going to be filling my lips using the same lip liner. And then I'll be topping it using the L'Oreal Paris Richly Matte Lip Pen. And this is the finished look. I'm going to be adding on some accessories and I'll get back to show the final look. And that is it. I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe button. And I'll see you all with a brand new one. Bye bye.